Good day to you at Control Room and welcome to this training session. The first thing that I would like to discuss with you is the first video, which is this one that you are watching, is just to take you through the root authorization process as I have done with the branches. So I need to remind you as where your responsibilities are within the complete RA process. So if you look at the first step, the branches would request the RA on the fleet management system, and I assume you are all already familiar with that process. The next thing that the branches needs to do after they have completed their RA request on the system, they need to go onto the Autobid app and then check the vehicle. That is where they go onto their cell phone and they will take photos of the vehicle and send the information through to the Autobid system. Now, this is at step 3 where you start to get involved. The first thing that you need to do before you can approve the root authorization request from the branches is to check on the Autobid system if they did the check on the Autobid app, because only once they have done that check can you authorize or approve that root authorization request. So in the next video, I will show you how you're going to do the check on the Autobid system to see if the branches have done their check using the Autobid app. Then the next step is for the branches to say, after you have now approved that root authorization request, they can now provide the driver with the root authorization number and the driver can now go on to his trip. When the driver comes back from his trip, the branches once again need to go into the Autobid app and do a return check. That is exactly the same as when the vehicle has left. They now need to check when the vehicle has returned if the vehicle is in the same state. So again, they're going to take photos on their app, on their cell phone, and that will then be sent through to the Autobid system. You will then, as Control Room, go back into the system to see if the vehicle has had its return check, because only then, once you have checked that the return check has been done, can you close the RA on the fleet management system. Again, there will be another video to show you when you need to close the RA system after you have checked on the Autobid system if the vehicle has been returned. Thank you. Please watch the next video. We will now go into how do you check on the Autobid system if the vehicle has been checked using the Autobid app.